assembled all the foods that I have in my kitchen that are high in an element called potassium. And so they are potatoes, winter squash, avocados, sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, northern beans, and mushrooms. And typically when I cook these, my family says, pass the salt. So then you have sodium chloride. So what keeps each element from being the same? What makes them unique? What kind of quantity distinguishes sodium and chloride from potassium? And that's what we're going to hopefully go through in this video. On the periodic table, in each box is something similar to what you see here. There's a name, a symbol, and some numbers. What we're going to learn in this video is what those numbers mean. So we're going to build a foldable that helps you assign what are called atomic quantities. And so you're going to take that one piece of computer paper and you're going to fold it in half. Once you've folded it in half, you're going to fold it then in 2/4. Then rotate it so that you can fold it in half the other direction and create these two creases that you'll then use as scissors to cut each of those creases free. When you do that, you'll have 4 sections that we're going to label with atomic quantities as the title. And the 3 most common atomic quantities for an atom, an ion, or an isotope are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Underneath each of those sections, you'll define a term that helps you find that quantity. So for protons, it's atomic number. For neutrons, it's mass number and isotope. And for electrons, it's atom and ion. When you've done that, you should be able to fill in the missing blanks on a table similar to this one. In this case, we have different isotopes and an ion of potassium. On the back, you'll have 2 more terms to define and a formula we're going to use that calculates atomic mass based off of the mass of the isotope and its abundance. So when you see this symbol again, you'll know what those numbers mean and how they were calculated for each element on the periodic table.